Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Tessel Tutor. Today, we have an exciting lesson for beginners, where we're going to explore the world of adverbs. Adverbs are those special words that add flavor and detail to our sentences, telling us how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. In this video, we'll learn what adverbs are, the different types of adverbs, and how to use them effectively to make your English more expressive. Let's dive into the world of adverbs. First, let's understand what adverbs are. Adverbs are words that modify or describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They help us understand how an action is performed, when it happens, where it occurs, or to what degree. For instance, instead of just saying she runs, you can say she runs quickly, where quickly is an adverb describing how she runs. Adverbs come in various types, and today we'll explore a few common ones. Adverbs of manner. These describe how an action is performed. Adverbs of time. These tell us when an action happens. Adverbs of place. These inform us about where an action occurs. Adverbs of degree. These indicate the intensity or extent of an action. Let's start with adverbs of manner, which describe how an action is performed. They walk quickly. Quickly describes how they walk. He works quietly. Quietly describes how he works. Adverbs of time tell us when an action happens. They will arrive tomorrow. Tomorrow tells us when they will arrive. They go to work in the morning. Morning tells us when they go to work. Adverbs of place inform us about where an action occurs. The man went upstairs. Upstairs tells us where the man went. They looked everywhere. Everywhere tells us where they looked. Adverbs of degree indicate the intensity or extent of an action. She is very tall. Very describes the degree of her height. She talks quite loudly. Loudly describes the volume of her talking. Using adverbs is like adding spice to your sentences. They make your language more interesting and precise. Adverbs typically come after the verb. For example, she reads books quickly. You can use more than one adverb in a sentence for added detail. She sings very beautifully and quite passionately. Let's address a couple of common mistakes beginners make when using adverbs. Common mistake 1. Misplacing adverbs. Be sure to place adverbs in the correct position in the sentence. Correct. He understood well. Incorrect. Well, he understood. Common mistake 2. Overusing adverbs. Avoid overusing adverbs. Sometimes, simple and clear sentences are the best. Correct. The cake is delicious. Incorrect. The cake is very, very delicious. Great job, beginners! You've embarked on your adverb journey. Keep practicing activities with the Tessel Tutor app at tesseltutor.ca, and you'll soon be able to use adverbs effectively to add depth and detail to your English. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ESL content. If you have questions or need further practice, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye!